Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example, and my name is Chien. Today is the day 12. I would like to talk about how to work with overriding and overloading in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Eclipse here. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create a new class underneath of the main package. Okay, so here. Okay, I will copy the name here. That thing. And we'll create a main method for this class. Finish button. Okay, cool. So here now I will talk about the overriding first. And okay, so here when we have a method, and if you want to override that method, so that means you want to change the body of the method, and we are still keeping the same method name and just change the body of the new method. Okay, so let me show the demo for you. Here I will create a new I have public void display message. Okay, so here I will copy this one and I will create a new class class. I will name it either my parent class. It will contain this method. I will print out the message is hello from parent class. Okay, here. So here I have the overriding and overloading testing class. It will be extended from the my parent class. Okay, cool. Here, so inside of the overriding and overloading testing class, I will be creating a new method here. The same name is with the display message from the parent class. And here it should be, so here I will give the same method name and we have no parameter for this method. Okay, so of course I will only change the body. This one will be the body of the method. Hello from the subclass here. Okay, here. So here, so now I will do testing for this one. I will create this one an instance of the class. Oh, new. Okay, so here I will dot display the message here. So of course it will be calling this method, I mean the sub method, and then display the message is hello from the subclass. Okay, so let me run it. Sorry. Here, hello from subclass. Okay, so here if I remove this method inside the subclass and try to run it again, and of course it will be display the message of the parent class. Let's try to run it. Yeah, so hello from the parent class. Okay, so here that means after we create a new method with the same name and just change the body in the subclass, so the class in the sub the method in the subclass will be overriding the parent class. Okay, cool. So here, how to call the method in the parent class. Okay, here I will create an instance of the parent here. Parent equal new p dot sorry, my parent p dot display the message. Run it again. Hello. Okay, so here I will display the print out the message in the line. Here, hello from subclass, and after that we display the message in hello from parent class. Okay, cool. So here, I think after you finish this demonstration, you know how to work with the overriding in Java. Okay, so here I will have the command for this one. Okay, overriding overriding method. Okay, here. So now I will go ahead to demonstration for you for the overloading. Okay, so here when you want to use the overloading in Java, that means you want to use the code the same method name, but you can change the parameter. I mean the number parameter inside of the method. For example, in the parent you have a method with two parameter, but in the subclass you have the method with three parameter. So it look different. That means when you calling the method in overloading, you want to be adding some more step. I mean some more information into the new method. Okay. Okay, here I will show you the demonstration. In the parent class, I will call it is the public void calculator. I will have integer a num1 integer num2, and after that public return num1 num2. Okay, copy it the same thing. Number 3, and just return the number for number 3. Integer. Okay, here you can see we have a method calculator with two parameter and another method with the same name with the three parameter. And for now, this one is overloading. It uses the same method but different with the return data and also the input data. Cool. So here I will try to call this method inside of the main. Okay. I will have because for now the overriding and overloading is extend from the my parent class. So here we already create an instance of this subclass. So now I will go ahead to use this instance to call the calculator here. Okay. Okay, so I will have a integer total 1 equal those calculator. Oh, sorry. calculator. I will pass two number 1 and 2. I will print it out. System does print total 1. I will copy this one here, and I will call the second method in the 1 2 3 2. Okay, run it. Yeah. Okay, here you can see after we run the application, it will display the message for the overriding, and after that it will display the total number of the overloading method. So here we call the calculator methods with two parameters, and the input is 1 and 2, so that means the total of it will be 3, and here the 3 number only print here. And the next one we call the calculator with 3 parameter, and we enter 1 2 3, and the total should be 6. Okay, cool. So here it is working fine. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to work with the overriding and overloading in Java. And okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.